Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I will talk about some hidden facts of Bexchange application that many people ask from me. So watch this full video to clear your all doubts. Factor number one. First factor and most important factor is that this application is real and 100% working. Okay. Now I'm going to open this app. And the factor two is that you must need fresh login details to log in this app and withdraw your funds from Watch Wallet. If you have fresh login details, then you are able to withdraw your funds. Otherwise, you cannot withdraw funds from Watch Wallet. Now I'm going to log in this app with fresh login details. This is fresh login details. Now enter these details into the app to log in the application. So I successfully log in this application by using login details. If you want any tools from me, then contact me on my WhatsApp contact and on my Facebook. I will give you all tools real and genuine. This is fresh login because you can see there's no transaction history here. That means this is called fresh login. Or if you see any transaction history or last transactions, that means your login has been expired or already used. You can't use this login again if you see any transaction history. Now click on withdraw BNB funds option. In this section, you have to choose local wallet. And remember one thing that you must need fresh login details to withdraw your funds. If you don't have any fresh login details, then you can't be able to withdraw your funds. If you need any tools or fresh login details and any information related to Bexchange application, you contact me on my WhatsApp contact and also on my Facebook. I will guide you and also give you all tools with login details.